So today, boys and girls, in math, we are working on lesson 3.8. We are learning how to count and write the number 9.
How can you count and write 9 with words and numbers?
Hi, have you been in the barn lately? Things are so neat and tidy in here, and every tool has a sign to tell you how many there are. Oops! Except for these shovels. Looks like the sign fell off. Maybe you can help me make a new one. First, we'll have to count the shovels. Click the shovel to start counting. Great! Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Wow! That's a lot of shovels. We better write that sign before I forget how many we counted. Do you know how to write 9? I don't. I need some help. Come on. I think I know where to find out more.
Kelsey has 9 counters. How might she put them in a 10 frame? Select the 10 frame to show the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last number you count is 9. There are 5 counters in the top row and 4 counters in the bottom row. Select the 10 frame to see the number 9. Here's what the number 9 looks like. Click the number 9 to see how it looks when it's written as a word. 9. The word 9 is spelled N-I-N-E. 9. Here we have some eggs in a basket. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 eggs. You can show 9 using a number. Select the number 9.
So they give us 2 options to choose from. On top, they have the number 6, and on the bottom, they have the number 9. I need one of my friends to help me figure out where is the number 9. Which is the number 9? And I haven't heard from Christian yet. Christian, do you want to help us out with that? Where's the number 9, Christian? Do I touch the top number or do I touch the bottom number? You tell me, Christian.
The bottom.
All right, let's see if you are right.
Good job. This is the number 9. Now let's spell the word 9. N-I-N-E. 9.
Okay, so let's go to our math books. I'm going to share that screen with you right now. In your math books, you are on page 161. So on this page, you should see the blue cubes and the yellow rubber duckies. Blue cubes and yellow rubber duckies. Yes, Roslyn, I see you have your hand up. What would you like to say?
I buy something, a Barbie. This girl.
Thank you for sharing. But right now, Roslyn, I need you to focus on math because we're going to get ready to count these blue cubes, okay? So boys and girls, what you're going to do is, first of all, before we even start counting the cubes.
What happened?
I have no clue who that is. But we need to continue. And first and foremost, I want to point out that at the top of your math books, there's a line here. And right next to it, it says name. Please get into the habit of writing your first and last name on that line. Look at my screen. I'm even making that line dark for you. I want every boy and girl right now, go to the top, write your first and last name. Very important. You need practice with that, boys and girls. Your mommies and daddies know how to write your name because they gave you your name. You boys and girls have to practice writing it on your own, like big boys and big girls. So please make sure first thing, whatever you do, any work, write your first and last name. All right. Skyla, I see your little sister Jaslyn's there. You want to help count the blue cubes so she can learn her numbers too?
One.
All right.
Mommy.
Go ahead.
1, 2. Mommy. 3. 4.
Okay, good. 4. Keep going.
I like the answer. 5.
Good.
6.
Going.
7.
Good.
8. 9.
So now, boys and girls, thank you, Skyla, for helping us out. I figured you could help out your little sister learn her numbers too. So we just counted and labeled the blue cubes. So now we're going to trace the number 9. So the way they show you how to do it is you start at the blue dot, loop around like a circle, go up, and then go back down. So we're going to trace the number 9. Going around, up, and down. Blue dot, always start at the blue dot. Make a circle, go up and down. Keep on going until you finish tracing all of the number 9 in that row. All right. Who wants to help Miss Castro count and label these rubber duckies? All right, Roslyn, I see you're focused. Let's start counting and labeling, Roslyn. Nice and loud. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job, Roslyn. Thank you so much for helping us out. We just counted and labeled those yellow rubber duckies. So now we need to trace the word 9. The word 9 has letters N, I, N, E. I know mine looks a little sloppy, boys and girls, because I'm using my mouse on my computer to trace it, but you are sitting at your desk. You have your math books right in front of you and your pencil there to help you trace and write the numbers. So great job, Roslyn. Thank you, Skyla, also for helping us out before. All right, I'll give everyone a few seconds. I see a lot of you are very focused. Being at the computer, I'm able to watch all of you on video as I'm helping you learn about the number 9. So you guys are all working very hard. I'm very, very proud of you. I love it. Okay, let's go on to the next page. Turn to the next page. All right, so here we are. We're back at the carnival. Here we're going to count a few groups. If the group has 9, we're gonna make a big circle around it. If it does not have 9, you're gonna leave it alone, okay? So for this one, you can actually just use your magic finger to count, and you're gonna follow along. So let's see, we have to count the bears, these pinwheels, the ducks in the water, and then you have 2 sets of ring toss, one on the right side and then one on the left side that's close to the mom. So why don't we count the bears first? Who wants to help Miss Castro count the bears? Andrew, do you want to help me today? Count the bears? All right, Andrew.
One,
Count these bears.
1, 2, 3,
Loud enough.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
We counted. Are we going to circle it?
There's 9 bears.
Yes, and today's magic number of the day is 9. So what do we do? What do we got to do with these group of bears? We need to
What do you got to do? Tell her what you're doing.
Circle it.
Say it loud so they can hear it.
Circle it.
Thank you, Andrew. I saw you starting to circle it. I just needed you to tell me. So Grandma Iris was reminding you to tell me out loud so that way the rest of our friends know what to do. So great job, Andrew. He just helped us count those 9 bears, and because we have 9, we have to make a big circle around it to show that it's 9. All right, Kaylin, I haven't heard from you yet, Kaylin. Why don't you help us count these colorful pinwheels? All right, Kaylin, go ahead, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, and we got to stop there because the last number that we counted is 8. Kaylin, we need 9, but you counted 8. So are we going to circle it?
No, we need one.
No.
No.
We need 1 more. So because we only have 8, we're going to leave it alone. So we're not going to circle this group. Good job counting, Kaylin. Excellent job. All right, now I need some help counting these yellow rubber duckies. Jace, do you want to help us out with that, the yellow rubber duckies? You just got to hit the unmute button on your screen, Jace. All right, Jace, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What do we do, Jace?
Circle it.
Very good. Excellent. Jace counted 9 yellow rubber duckies, so we have to circle that group of 9 yellow rubber duckies. Excellent job, Jace. Good. All right. Who wants to help out Miss Castro with the next one? I'm going to count this ring toss over here that's in the corner on the right-hand side. I see Alina has her hand up. Alina, you're going to unmute yourself. I'm going to make a dot on each color ring, and then you're going to count out loud for me. Ready, Alina? Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. And I was trying to spread out those dots so that way you could count each color because they're all stuck together. So, Alina, if you counted 9, what are we going to do? Do we circle it or leave it alone?
Circle it.
Excellent job, Alina. Yes, we need to circle it because you counted 9 in that group. All right, so now the last group that we need to count, Scarlett wants to help us. Scarlett, I'm going to make that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Stop it there, Scarlett. No, we actually stopped at 7 because it's the red, blue, yellow, red, green. Oh, wait, you're right. Blue, red, and yellow. Good eyes. I didn't even see that. I had to look up close to the computer. All right, Scarlett, you are right. There's 8. So let me make a little dot for the 8th one. I can't believe I missed it. Wow. Okay. Scarlett, today's magic number is 9. If we have 8 there, what do? Do we circle it or leave it alone?
Leave it alone.
Good job, Scarlett. Excellent job. Okay, so let's leave that alone. So we only had to circle 3 groups. The group of bears, the group of ducks, and then on the right side, those colorful ring toss rings right there.
How about you count the things that are spinning?
The things that are spinning, I believe you're talking about these colorful pinwheels, Dominic. We did count them.
I'm talking about those. Now count them.
We already counted them, Dominic. I believe, I can't remember who helped me count them, but we did count them. And we saw that we don't have 9 in that group, so we have to leave it alone. All right. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the next page. They want us to trace the number 9. So up at the top, boys and girls, start at the blue dot. And please trace all those number 9s. Trace, go around like a circle and down with a stick. Around like a circle and down with the stick. So just follow those dots. Okay. Jaden, do you want to help Miss Castro?
Please excuse this announcement. Just as a reminder, there's only one lunch period today. I repeat, there is only one lunch period today. So paraprofessionals, please make sure you do your coverage. That lunch period begins at 11:35. So please relieve the teachers by 11:35. Teachers, please make sure you turn key to your paraprofessionals as to what is discussed at this meeting. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay. Jaden. So, orange tickets. Jaden, are you ready? All right. Make sure you're unmuted because I still see you muted, Jaden.
Yeah, I muted you already.
All right. There we go. Okay, Jaden. So Ms. Castro's going to label the orange tickets and you're going to count them out nice and loud for all of us to hear you. Ready? Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Excellent, Jaden. Good. So if we counted 9, Jaden, what number do we have to put on the line?
9.
Good job, Papi. Excellent. I'm very proud of you. Very good counting. Thank you for helping Miss Castro. Okay, we're going to finish working on that one, and then we are going to move on to the next problem, those pink tickets. Aaliyah, do you want to help Miss Castro, Aaliyah?
Come on. Come on. For the next one. Count.
They're pink tickets. Ready? I'm going to label them.
Yeah, come on. Focus.
No.
No. Count. Count.
1, 2,
3. Come on, Leo.
3,
Aaliyah, so
4.
Come on. Stop joking around. Come on.
5,
4.
6,
Keep going.
7.
Whoa, what happened to 6? After 5 comes 6.
Oh.
Now we're on 7.
7.
And Annalise, what's after 7? Yes, 8. All right, so Aaliyah, if we counted 8 pink tickets, what number do we write on the line, Aaliyah?
8.
Good. Excellent job. All right, so finish that up. I think I have to reset my smartboard. It's coming out with these letters. I don't know if you boys and girls see them, but we'll try to ignore them and we'll count around them. All right, Nashla, do you want to help us count the green tickets, Nashla?
Yeah.
All right, sit up nicely.
1,
All right, 1, keep going.
2,
Keep going.
4,
Good.
5, 8.
Yep, and one more.
9.
Good. So if we counted 9 tickets, what number do we write on the line, Nashla?
The circle like this and the line like this.
Well, we're not going to circle these because we are counting, labeling them, and then we have to write the number on the line. So if Nashla counted 9, boys and girls, Elijah, what number goes on the line?
9.
Yeah, thanks for helping. Good job, Elijah. So boys and girls, whatever number you count, whatever picture it may be, the last number that you count, that's how much you have in that group. And then that's the number that you write.
Sure, I can't see the screen.
Hold on a second. Stop sharing, share it again, and now you should be able to see it. Do you see it, Alina?
Yes.
Thank you. We just have one more to do and we're all finished. And Miss Kasha's gonna do this one. So let me count and label for you, boys and girls. Purple tickets. 1, do it in your books. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So Ms. Castro counted 9 purple tickets. And because I counted 9, on the line, I am going to write the number 9. So notice, boys and girls, even though today's magic number is the number 9, that doesn't mean that everything will have 9. Sometimes it might be a number that's less than 9. So that's why it's important for you to count and label the objects that you're counting, okay? All right, let me show you what you have for your assignment tonight in your math books. If you turn to the following page, you could work on the next page on your own. So we did that. So these group of teddy bears, the purple, green, brown, and down here the white space, you could do that on your own. And then after that is your homework assignment. So it's page 165. Trace the number 9, count and label all the objects, write how many you have in each group, and then on the back, it's a review of what we've learned. So count and label the squares, write the number. They want you to see how many. They want you to see how many birds are in the cage. So they want you to write the number of birds that you see in the cage, and you write that number on the line. And then on the last problem, they want you to count the circles in the 5 frame and then write how many you have there. And that is it.